Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN finance or YFI, currently ranked at 153 with a market cap of about $275 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $93 million, and today we are basically going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So for YFI, we are down about 0.5% on the day. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And so for YFI, you guys could remember we were bullish right here from the $4,000, $5,000 level right there in the midst of June, July. We're very bullish on YFI, and we were saying YFI was very, very bullish, and we were expecting that push to the upside, right? Since then, we saw YFI push up a whopping, see that 176%, right? We saw a cross right here, this purple line, the 50 EMA, crossing the 200 EMA. We even became even more bullish, right? And we said this was an opportunity of a lifetime. We saw that push to the upside, and right here, we saw this rejection, huge rejection to the downside. And we said that so far prices were still holding this 200 EMA, which is this white line right here. We were still bullish, and we could still expect this push to the upside, right? So we were saying we could see the bulls come in and return YFI right there, even into that $15,000 level, right? And I'll tell you why. And probably we are in a very fix right now. Why? Is because if we just basically go to the volume profile, right, as you can see right here, the volume profile basically shows us what is happening behind the scenes right here with YFI. As you can see, we saw a flip, right, which means right the trend was in favor of the bulls. We saw the bulls coming in with a lot of volume. We saw that push to the upside, came with a lot of volume still reducing, but we were still saying the bulls were still in control. As you can see, volume increased a lot, right? And we were still saying the bulls were still in control, and you saw this huge push to the downside, a lot more selling price action. And currently, as you can see right here, we are in this very, very dangerous level right here for YFI, right? And this is the undecided level, even though as you can see the bulls are still in control right here, but the blue in between this blue region is what we call the very dangerous region, as most of the time we could see reversals happen when we see prices in this blue region. As you can see, the blue region, we saw that a shift in favor of the bulls, and currently we are still seeing, as regards volume, that we are in the blue region, right? So we want to see the bulls come in and push price or push the volume or push our buy volume for YFI above this blue region. If not, we could see the bears come in control, and then we could see that push to the downside. So currently the bulls are still in control right here for YFI, but we are in very, very dangerous zone, right? That's why we said a time bomb is tickling, right? So we don't want to see right here the BSD control, because if we see that flip, that could mean we could see YFI pull back to gobbling town. But if we see the bulls push us below this level right here, we could still see this primary scenario, which we are expecting to see prices push even to the upside right here for YFI back to that $15,000 level, right? So that's the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.